Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of 3D animations with just HTML and CSS. No JavaScript, no libraries, just pure CSS magic. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create an amazing rotating 3D box animation that you can customize for your own projects. Here's the HTML structure we're working with. First, we have the body tag. We've created a div with the class container. Inside this container, there's another div called wrapper. The wrapper will hold all the faces of our 3D box, which are represented by 6 divs, each with the class shape and a unique face class: top, front, back, right, left, and bottom. These faces are labeled with text to help us visually identify them. That's all for the HTML. Let's move on to the CSS, where all the magic happens. We start by centering the box on the page using display, flex on the body element, margin, 0, height, 100 VH width, 100%. The height and width of the viewport are set to take up the full screen. Font family, Roboto, sans serif. The justify content, center and align items. Center ensure that everything is perfectly aligned in the middle. Container height, 200 px width, 200 px perspective, 600 px. The container is like the stage for our 3D animation. The perspective property gives depth to the 3D effect. Position, relative. Height, 100%. Width, 100%. Box shadow, 5px, 10px, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Transform style, preserve 3D transform, rotate Y, 35 degree. Rotate X, 1 degree. Scale, 1, 1. Transition, 2 seconds all. The transform style, preserve 3D, ensures that all its child elements maintain their 3D positioning. The transform property initially rotates the box slightly on the X and Y axes to give it a 3D angle. The transition property makes the rotation smooth and animated. When you hover over the wrapper, it rotates 360 degrees. Copy transform property from wrapper selector and paste it. Now change rotate Y value to 360 degree and rotate X to minus 360 degree. Now hover it to check the animation. Each face of the box is styled using the shape class, and unique styles are applied based on the specific face class. Position, absolute. Display, flex. Height and width, 180 px. Font, italic bold, 24 px, 30 px, caption. Color, has FFF. Justify content, center. Align items, center. Text shadow, 1 px, 1 px, 0 px, has 0, 0, 0. Border radius, 10%. The position, absolute, ensures that each face is positioned relative to the wrapper. We also center the text inside each face with display, flex, justify content, center, and align items. Center. The border radius adds some rounded edges. Each face is given a unique background color, border, and position in 3D space using the transform property. For example, top face, background, RGBA 103, 58, 183, 0.5. Border, 10 px, solid. Has 67v3 AB7. Border radius, 50%. Transform, rotate X 90 degree, translate Z 100 px. The transform positions the face 100 px away on the Z axis, while the rotate X 90 degree makes it the top face. Other faces follow a similar pattern, but with different rotation angles and colors. So I copy and paste these code and change their selector's name, background and border colors values, and also change border radius and transform property values. Now change the transition value in the wrapper selector to 10 seconds for beautiful animation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more awesome content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got thoughts, questions, or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and take care.